Behind me is my dad's 1978 street rod, totally fabricated, customized truck. This thing is absolutely cool. It has old school Cadillac taillights. It has a full custom front and rear end. Even the side little bed rails are totally customized. Everything is just down to detail, perfect. He gave me the very cool honor today of painting it with a V4 paint system. We've never used one of these paint booths before. This is the aftermath of what you're gonna see today. I'm pretty happy with how everything played out. I upgraded and we have a full new system with a big compressor and an Iwata LPH 400 paint gun. Get ready for some clips. That's crazy looking. That red really turned out. Okay, here's after 3 coats. You guys get to see the damages. We did the roof, the hood, we did the inside of the bed. We're still having to do some coats in there. I'm gonna hop back in there in a second. There's the hood. We got the front. Let's see if I can sneak around. Yeah, Beaver system, very efficient, gets the job done, especially since I moved to a DeWalt. There's a lot more volume happening out of the 60-gallon compressor and the Iwata LPH. But damn, guys. Okay, and here are the magical results of this paint job. I really appreciate everyone that stuck around to see how this bad boy came out. I'll give you guys a quick sneak peek of the interior too, but here is that beautiful wood with a cool little car style fuel tank. Threw on that pretty cool silver lettering there with the nice Cadillac lights. Changed the wheels up a little bit, added some pretty cool chrome lug nuts. Added these really fun looking custom rear mirrors. And my favorite feature, as you're wondering, is where are the door handles? It has a totally custom pop-out lock system. And there is the red, or like a burgundy style carpet, just red on red. There still is some wire cleanup to do, but you guys see the vision. This is a pretty beautiful truck. We went ahead and painted a few different things here. As you can see, we did the jams. These really just crazy on a Chevy, these hood pins on a little truck. However my dad had this truck built, it's got a pretty big cam in it because it's like whoa, whoa. Right before it starts up. This thing is mean. And I figured I'd give you guys another perspective in this kind of lighting. Just crazy looking. That red really turned out. And that red is actually cranberry red, which is the original color of this beast. And a fun thing about this truck is that these rear bed fenders have been widened 2 inches as well, which is just a super mean and in my opinion, custom add-on there. Closed and open. And for the next project that you guys probably saw in the background, here is a 1974 half door. If you guys are wondering what makes it a half door, see that cut right there? That's a factory deal where it is a fully removable convertible top. I stripped out the interior and I'm getting ready to do all sorts of rust repair. Seeing how cool this red came out on the truck, there is a factory Plymouth Rally Red that I'm going to be doing for this truck. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video on painting this magical truck with the crazy pop-out doors. This is my dad's truck, so it definitely meant a lot to me doing this thing right. And stay tuned for another video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more stuff like this.